Driving long distance requires the driver's attention for a long period of time, despite the task being often boring and uneventful. I'm going to show you how to drive safely, making the best use of the safety assistance, whilst also engaging safe driving habits.
Chapter 1. Plan ahead.
Being ready means there's less chance of getting lost or being delayed by bad weather. It's fine to rely on your navigation, but checking a few details beforehand never hurts.
Chapter 2. Drive well rested.
Thank you.
First of all, you can never drive safely while tired. Being awake for over 18 hours is the equivalent of having around 0.05 blood alcohol concentration.
Falling asleep at the wheel means you'll crash at full speed because you won't be able to use the brake. So all in all, getting a good night's sleep is essential. If your car is equipped with driver alert, the system will recognise your fatigue.
Chapter 3. Eat light, eat well, hydrate.
Driving hungry not only dampens your mood, it also affects your ability to concentrate. Same with water. Hydration keeps you focused, and that means safe.
Chapter 4. Use audio.
Listening to something entertaining helps to keep you alert. Skoda Connect allows you to listen to your favourite tunes or even safely use your smartphone. Although, of course, it's not responsible for your music taste.
Chapter 5. Use all the tech help you can get.
It's always recommended that you have a co-driver. On top of that, there are plenty of driver assists that can make your drive even easier, although they can by no means replace an actual driver. Front Assist, with predictive pedestrian protection, warns against potential collisions. In an emergency, the car will slow down automatically. Predictive Cruise Control adjusts the set speed according to the speed limit and the type of road. And even if you turn it off, Travel Assist will show you the current speed limit.
Chapter 6. Be ready for driving in the dark.
When driving at night, the traffic is usually much lighter, but the visibility is much worse. To avoid being blinded by oncoming cars, don't look directly into their headlights, but rather avert your gaze to the lower right shoulder of the road. Don't worry, your peripheral vision will allow you to drive normally. To avoid blinding others, make sure you dim your high beams in time. Or, to save you the trouble, Matrix Beam function responds to the oncoming traffic and switches off only segments of the lights, leaving you with maximum visibility.
For tips on driving in dense city traffic, watch our next video.
Skoda. Simply clever.